Are you part of a condo board or leader of a manufactured housing community that has window air conditioners sticking out windows everywhere, many violating existing rules? These units don't just affect curb appeal. They impact property values and create potential liability issues. You want to enforce standards, but where's the line? Many community leaders learn the hard way that this seemingly simple issue can quickly escalate into an expensive legal battle. Window AC units are a touchy subject, especially in manufactured housing parks and condos. While they're less common in typical HOAs, the enforcement challenges are similar. Here's the reality. If residents had these issues for years under previous leadership, suddenly cracking down creates serious pushback. Put yourself in a judge's position for just a moment. Would you force someone out of their home over an AC unit when they claim they can't afford the alternative? Probably not. Courts rarely support extreme measures for minor violations, particularly when it affects someone's ability to maintain a comfortable living environment. Rather than taking a hardline approach, consider some practical alternatives based on your community type. If you're a manufactured housing park owner with yearly lot leases, yes, you can implement new standards during lease renewals, but be ready to grandfather existing units when residents push back. For condo board members, first, check your governing documents. Many don't specifically address window units. You can clarify these rules, but enforcement still requires common sense. For HOA leaders facing this issue in newer developments, the same principles apply. Remember, just because you create a rule doesn't mean a court will back you up when a resident refuses to spend thousands on a new cooling system. Start small. Have conversations, gather information before taking action. When you do move forward, communicate clearly why the community is transitioning away from window units. Provide reasonable timelines and be flexible with hardship cases. Be particularly careful about fair housing requirements. A resident might legitimately need that window unit for health reasons, especially in buildings with inadequate temperature control. Rushing to enforce without investigation could land you in hot water. If you're a park owner with rental units, you have more authority to prohibit window units, but only if you've provided proper cooling systems. Condo boards should document cases where window units damage common elements. This gives you stronger grounds for enforcement. Wherever possible, offer resources about affordable cooling alternatives. This shows you're interested in solutions, not just enforcement. Your success as a community leader isn't about rigidly enforcing every rule. It's about knowing which battles matter and approaching challenges with both principle and practicality. With window AC units, clear communication and reasonable flexibility will save you legal headaches while still moving property standards forward. And remember, if you're not going to enforce a rule consistently, it's better to remove it entirely than to enforce it selectively. That's a quick path to discrimination claims and legal trouble. Whether you're leading a condo association, an HOA, or a manufactured housing community, this balanced approach maintains community harmony while protecting property values. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.